If you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to use distraction control in iOS 18. In iOS 18, the distraction control feature helps you reduce on-screen clutter while browsing in Safari by letting you hide distracting elements like ads, banners, cookie pop-ups, and even autoplay videos. Here's how to use it. First, open Safari and navigate to the web page where you want to minimize distractions. Next, tap the page menu icon in the address bar. It's next to the website URL. Now, select Hide Distracting Items from the options. Safari will ask you to confirm which elements you want to hide. You can select specific items such as ads, banners, or pop-ups. Next, after selecting, tap Hide and the unwanted items will be removed. A blue indicator will appear in the address bar to show the feature is active. If you want to bring back the hidden elements, tap the blue indicator or the page menu again, and select Show Hidden Items. Keep in mind that this is a temporary action, so hidden ads and banners will reappear if the page is refreshed. This feature works on all websites, but it needs to be enabled for each page individually. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.